Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, and welcome to my official legit check of the 2024 Wu Tang Nike Dunks. So first and foremost, always check for the RFID chip behind the box label. I think this is a perfect way to start your legit checking process, as counterfeit companies do not replicate this often. When you remove the insoles, you will have what appears to be a cotton footbed. These insoles are glued down, so be careful when removing them because you don't want to cause damage to both the insoles and the footbed. Now, when you flip your insoles over, the bottoms will be gray with glue marks. You'll also notice that the very top line does not extend across the entire insole. Make sure your Nike logo has a bubbled appearance and is slightly pressed into the surrounding material. You will also notice that the black on the insole is slightly faded and not jet black. As for your sizing stickers, please make sure that your sizing stickers are placed below the Nike logo. Stickers can easily be removed or fall off, especially if you're buying them used. But if you're buying brand new, then your stickers should be placed below the Nike logo. All right, folks, moving on to the sizing tag. So the factory code on my pair reads VY and it was produced in Vietnam. I don't think Nike made too many pairs of these, so I highly doubt that we'll see several factory codes floating around out there. But if you have a different factory code than what you see on screen here, definitely let me know in the comment section below. As for your production dates, the dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones that you have on your pair. However, the dates on your pair should be the same between your left and right shoe. In the event that your dates are not the same, that doesn't mean that your shoe is necessarily fake. However, it is becoming the standard for your left and right shoe to have matching dates. Also keep in mind, folks, that this sneaker does come with shoe paper. It does not come with shoe trees, and you want to make sure that both pieces of paper inside of the shoe are in the shape of a foot. And no, there are no extra laces. And moving on to the box, there is one YCM sticker inside of the box. There are no stickers or stamps underneath the box, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, pollen, and white. All right, folks, and this will conclude my legit check of the 2024 Wu Tang Dunk High. I think this is a very simple shoe to authenticate in my opinion. So if you really want this shoe, now that the prices have dropped a little bit, I highly recommend that you get them now because you don't want to give the counterfeit companies time to perfect any of the batches that they've made in the past. So if you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. Until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.